Welcome back today. It's me Beto G. I'm going to be making Cape Verde trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. That's the beat I'm going to be making today, Cape Verde trap beat. Or just title it how to make Cape Verde trap beat. When launch your FS Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this. You right click on your mouse, then you just click open and wait a little bit for it to open. But for me, I've already launched my FS Studio, so I'm just going to just click here, enter my FS Studio app. This is my channel rack, this is my playlist, this is my mixer here. Then when I'm on my channel rack, if you switch it to song mode, you won't hear your channel rack play. But if it's on this pattern, you are going to play on your channel rack here. And when you put your beat here, when you're arranging your beat and making space for intro, outro, make sure always turn it to song mode when you are clicking and dropping. But let's go back to our channel rack. So I'll put it to pattern mode, then I'll click on add. Then I'm going to pick my plugin today called Harmless. After picking my plugin called Harmless, I'll click on this plugin options, then just put my cursor onto a preset and watch it open. So I'm going to pick one called Cubic. That's it. That's it. After that, I'll put my cursor onto the empty space, left click and hold it, turn the mouse switch to channel 5. Put my cursor like this, right click, then click on piano roll. As you can see, I programmed the first two bar patterns, so I'm going to highlight it. That is, I'm going to put my cursor like this. First of all, I'll click on select here. I'll bring my cursor over and click on select, put my cursor here, left, hold it, highlight to the left, which you can see press Ctrl A, press Ctrl and B to reach this bar number 8. That's okay. I'm going to pick another melody again. I'm going to click on add. I'm going to pick this one called Citrus. That's okay. I'll put my cursor onto this empty space, left click, hold my left click button on my mouse, turn the mouse wheels, channel 6. I'll start to program my second melody again while playing a beat. On my second melody, after programming the first to 4 bar pattern, I'm going to click on select here again, put my cursor like this, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B, which can say press Ctrl A. That's okay. The next step is on channel 3, my hi-hat, I'm going to right click, then click on piano roll. I'll start to program my hi-hat now. I'll start to program my hi-hat now. That's it. I'll program my hi-hat now. That's it. After that, I'll then copy that to bar number 8. This is my hi-hat. That's it. Now I've already finished programming my hi-hat. I'm going to just put my cursor like this. When I've already clicked on select, put my cursor like this, left click, hold my left click button, highlight to the left. You can see press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard, right to bar number 8. The next step is we start to program the snare. Number 4, I'll put my cursor like this, right click, click on piano roll. Now here's my snare. At the starting of 1, I'm putting my snare. 2, I'm putting my snare. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this is another bounce here. It's another bounce. Watch another bounce here. That's okay. That's okay for the bounce. The next step, the kick. Now let's program the kick. Now I'm going to left click, hold it, drag it to the one. Right click, then click on piano roll. Now, this is my kick. I'm arranging my kick now. That's it. I've already finished arranging my kick. So on my kick here, I'll click here. On this effect target, I'll click here. Turn up the bow knob. That's okay. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. I'm going to bring down the 6 a little bit. Bring down the 5. That's it. It's okay. Then on 3 and 4, I'll turn up my hi-hat, which is in channel 3. Number 4, I'll bring it up. Slot 1. I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. 3, which is my hi-hat. I'll click on slot 1. Add the sound womanizer. That's okay. It's time for the mixing. 5. I'm going to click on slot 1. Add a fruity soft clipper. Slot 2. Add a fruity compressor. Slot 3. Add a fruity multiband compressor. Slot 4. I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. Slot 5. I'm going to add a fruity soft clipper. That's it. On the last melody, slot 1, I'll add a fruity parametric EQ2. Slot 2, I'll add the fruity limiter. Slot 4, I'm going to add a fruity reverb 2. Then turn down the mix level to mix level 1%. Slot 4, I'm going to add the fruity soft clipper. That's okay. Here, I'll swap left and right. I'll swap left and right. Like that. Like that. Like that. Then it's time now to arrange a beat into our playlist. Now, when you are writing part 1, this is the most important part now. When you are writing part 1 here, put your cursor like this. You right click on your mouse, click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed on the channel rack has appeared on the top left corner on our FL Studio. So you just need to click on your kick, click into your playlist, click into your hi-hat, click back to your playlist like this, click on your FL, on your snare, click back to your playlist, click on your first melody cubic, and click back to your playlist. Click on your last melody citrus, click back to your playlist. After that, I'm going to put my cursor like this, left click and hold it. I just drag my mouse to the left, press Ctrl and B. You can see press Ctrl, that is the CTRL button, and then press B to copy it. There are 2 ways to copy it. After that, I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then I'll put my cursor like this, highlight to the left. You can see press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B. I'm extending my beat now. I'm extending my beat now. I'm going to extend my beat now. This is my outro. I'm extending my beat to my outro. That's it. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here, remove the snare. Then on my mixer 3 and 4, I'll put my cursor like this, right click on my mouse, click on create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click, then click on create automation clip. That's okay. That was all for today. It's only after that I'm going to bring another video that I will mix it into details. Now let's listen to the Verde trap beat from the start to the end. See you next time again in another video. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Cape Verde Rabbit. See you next time in another video. Goodbye.